Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp scampi. It is very delicious and simple, and you will just need few ingredients. So you will need shrimps, lemon, garlic, butter, onion, olive oil, oregano, and parsley. To begin, I will take 1/3 of an onion that I will cut and chop in very small pieces. I don't need a lot of onion because the shrimp scampi recipe is all about garlic. The onion is just for the taste because it gives it a very nice taste too. When you mix garlic and onion, it gives a very nice flavor. So once I'm done chopping them off, I will set it aside. And after I'm done with the onion, then I will take garlic, cloves. You can take a lot of cloves depending on how much you want it, but I took at least 5 or 6 garlic cloves that I'm now chopping off in very small pieces too and set it aside. After that, I will take my shrimps that I've thawed and I will remove the tails because I don't like to cook with the tails. So I remove it and make sure that everything is rinsed and clean. In a skillet, I'm melting some butter. And once I'm done melting the butter, I will now start with the seasoning. I will add first the onion that I've chopped and I will cook it until it becomes translucent. And I will add salt and pepper to season it. And I will keep stirring it around. And once the onion has become translucent, I will now add the shrimps. And the shrimps are already cooked anyway, it's pre-cooked. So I will just make sure that it takes on the flavor of the onion and stirring it around. And then once I'm done, I will now cover it for a couple of minutes just to let it simmer. And once it's simmering, you can see I'm adding now the garlic. Once the garlic is added, I'm also stirring it around to make sure that it takes on the flavor and the shrimps will just be embedded with the garlic taste. And I will add ground ginger. Ground ginger is actually really good because it will give a very different taste to it. And I will add also garlic powder, just some more garlic because it's all about the shrimp scampi recipe. If you don't like garlic too much, then you can skip the garlic taste. Then I will add a half a lemon that I will squeeze into it to give it the lemon taste. I will keep it covered for a little bit and then I will also add olive oil and I will also sprinkle parsley into it. The information for this recipe will be found in the description box down below. I am also adding oregano. I'm sprinkling it over top. Then I will just mix it all together to make sure that the flavors are also incorporated in. The smell of the garlic gives it a very nice flavor to the shrimp scampi and you will like it mixed up with the lemon. Once I'm done stirring it all around, I will cover it for a couple of minutes. And after a couple of minutes, you can see how nice it's already looking. After that, I will add a little bit of water and I will keep stirring it all around. And it's that simple. It's not a very hard recipe and it's done already. So I'll turn off the stove. Then I will let it just cool off a little bit and it's time to serve. You can try it and I'm sure you will like it because it's very good. And if you have a big family, you can always make more than the portion that I'm making right now and you will enjoy it. So you can see, look how delicious. The smell is incredible. You can serve it with pasta and next week I'll show you how I make my pasta dish. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification to get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to share the video. Until next time, enjoy.